Hello guys, welcome back to this tutorial. So I'm going to show you step by step how you can be able to design this wedding invitation card. I'm going to take you through step by step how you can be able to design all this from there. So these are some of the wedding flyer I downloaded from Pinterest that inspired me, especially this one. Once you have downloaded all these things, go to PixelLab app. After you have downloaded PixelLab app and installed it, so I'm going to delete everything here, then start from scratch so that you'll be able to know how to design this. So go to default, delete the new text there, go to image site, use 3x4. That is what I'm using for this design. So 3x4. Okay, after you have set the image size, we are going to use a black background. So go to shape here, create something that you can change it to black. Change it to black. Alright, so let me not use the black. So I want to use this color. Go to the plus sign here. This is how I was able to change. So click here, drag this one down here. Once you drag it this place, so you go back to okay. Let's bring these images here. Go to your gallery, make sure you lock it so that it will stay at one place. As you continue to bring other things from gallery, okay. So copy, then turn it this way. Alright, so make sure you lock all of them here. Write special invitation. Special invitation. And increase the page. Let's go to texture. Come to texture. Change the color of. Let me use this one. Okay. You go back to text and write the family, make it capital. The family of Yabua and Sansa humbly requires your presence to the okay. This one, let's change the font to something, use font that is very bold. Then come here. Reduce the size of. Let's say 19 is okay. to align. But before then, let's bring that this let's change the background. Change it to white background. And you reduce it. It should be the family of Sansan, the family of Yaboa and Sansan humbly requires the honor. The honor of your presence at the wedding ceremony. So okay. Then you come down here and write wedding ceremony. Go to test again. Wedding ceremony. So let's change the font here. Let's use this particular font here. So let's make it bold. Alright, increase the size of it a bit. And then change the color. Go to texture. Increase it a bit. Children. So add their copy. Bring it here. You bring the couple's names. This side is very important. After you write wedding ceremony of their children, then you bring the couple names here. That is the important place because they are the main, the key, should I say character or the key words in this flower or in this design. So let me copy that, go to edit. Let me use Samuel and Abigail. I think it's okay. It's okay. Make sure you adjust it. Make sure you adjust everything. Make sure that everything is in line or everything is good. So now go back to text again. this because this is the important side of this design. Because after you brought in the couple names, the next thing is the date, venue, and then location. So make sure that this one's is very clear. Okay, let me see whether that okay. I think this is cool. But reduces the bit. Then copy this one. Go to edit. Okay. Position it well. This way. Center. And this is okay. So now this is how everything. So I'm going to add something here. Something that I forgot to add. So this is the outcome of the design. If you want to learn how to design this wedding invitation card, just follow me step by step. If this video is helpful to you, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel, and also turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload videos, you'll be the first person to watch this video. So thank you for watching this tutorial to the end. Make sure you share it to somebody so that the person too can benefit from it. All right, see you in the next video.